Hi, my name's Toby Mountjoy and I'm the director of Autism Partnership. I don't know if you've heard about our agency and the work we do, but I am very, very excited to be coming to Prague, and it will be the first time Autism Partnership has been to Prague, in my knowledge. And on 25th of November, we're going to spend a whole day, myself, Dr. Dave, and also Robin. We're going to be sharing with you many videos and presentations all about the work that we've been doing for the last 25 or more years in Autism Partnership. We'll be covering a lot about how we teach children how to learn, how to manage behavioral issues, teach language, and also get those students ready for group and school. So it's a really, really broad workshop with a lot of different information that I know many people in the world of autism will find really, really interesting. We will also be for 2 days in Prague to do some more hands-on, working directly with children. If you have any interest to come and meet with us and hear more about what we have to say, you can register here. And I hope to meet some of you and to learn more about what goes on in Prague in the world of autism. I'll see you in November.